Welcome KKPNs. I hope all are taking care of your health. Along with this, we have to concentrate on our study as well. So, today here I am going to discuss with you the second lesson of civics. Name of the lesson is diversity and discrimination. We have covered some of the topics of the lesson and we'll be continuing the lesson today with our discussion. Before we'll start with the discussion, our topic is diversity. So before I start my talking, I want you to do one thing. So this is an interesting activity. So what you have to do, you have to close your eyes. Are you listening to me? You have to close your eyes and whatever I am telling to you, you have to imagine closing your eyes. Okay, I'll be telling you to imagine some persons. You have to imagine their picture, how they look like, what they wear, how is their skin. You have to just bring a picture of that person in front of you when you are closing your eyes. Okay, has everybody understood? I hope everybody must have understood. It's very simple thing that you have to close your eyes and imagine whatever I am saying to you. Okay, so now you close your eyes. Okay, so what you have to do while closing your eyes, imagine you are seeing a person from South Africa. Okay, can you see a person or can you imaginary see his image? Okay, now you go to New Zealand. You might have seen the people from New Zealand during cricket match, sports. Then okay, now you imagine the image of Donald Trump in front of you. Okay, then cricketer Brian Lara, a person from Jammu and Kashmir, a Punjabi person wearing a turban on his head. Okay, then imagine a person who is living in South India. Okay, so imagine a person's like your friend who is in your class, whoever is there in the school also. So okay, here this activity ends. So you must have imagined different people and you must have come across one thing, that is every person, whatever I told now, whoever's name I took now, is different. He is diverse from each other, isn't it? That is the purpose why I want to do this activity. Every person is unique, every person is different. So here also we have diversity or differences. So diversity means what? Being composed of distinct or different element or qualities. So this is the definition of diversity. Okay, so one more interesting thing for you. Now I am going to show a video. In that video you have to see how every person is important and we have to include every person in our society for the progress of the society. And This video you will see that there are some people who are in common group and some are not included in group. They may be little bit different from the group, but we have to include them with us, then only the progress will happen. So here is the video I'll be showing you. Okay. Okay, you must have observed the video carefully. What must you have learned from this video? Okay, so if you see that there were some people, like there were some cartoons, like they were of different colors, and those who were common and they were in majority, they included a small group, and at last a wheel was rotating fast. So if we are including everybody from our society, the society will progress. Oh, that was the purpose behind showing this video. Then we'll be seeing. Okay, so I told you about inequality and discrimination already here. The second thing is, on what basis there can be a difference or diversity. A diversity can be on the basis of race. So there are people living of different races, or what can we say, like skin colors. So there are some people who are having black skin or white skin complexion, and sometimes they had conflict with each other, they sometimes fight with each other. That is also maybe the reason why there is a variety. Then diversity or variety can be on the basis of social and economic status of a group. There may be some people who are rich and some are poor. So there may be a distance between this group, or there may be a stereotype, or there may be a what we can say, conflicts again in this group also. So age is also there, mattering the diversity. Then religions, as I told you earlier, in our country there are so many religions, so there is a variety or diversity of religion in our country. Then gender, of course, male, female, girls, boys. Again, this is a diversity of gender. And then ability, like differently able people are also found in a society, so people consider them different. They are not ready to take in the groups, but that is not the good thing. So we should involve everybody in the group, so that it will be a larger group and it will be beneficial to everybody. So these are the points, these are the ways in which the variety can happen. Then here is one activity that you have to do. This is very interesting activity you have to do. What is the activity? Okay, so lead at least 3 ways in which people in India do the thing one is done for you. Okay, so what do you have to do here? Okay, this is in your textbook, civics textbook, page number 8. Okay, you can do this activity. So what you have to do, you have to think, or you have to find out information, and most of the information you already know it. So what you have to do, you have to complete this chart. So what you have to do, different ways in which people pray. So in our country or religion wise, people praying changes. Some people pray in temple, some people pray at mosque, even their praying is different. Christian people pray differently, Muslim people pray differently, Hindu people pray differently. So you have to write which are the ways in which people pray. For example, like through singing hymns. Means hymns is what? Songs of gods. Some people sing songs of God, or different ways. What are the different ways? How the people, different religion people do the prayer of their God. So one example is given, so remaining you have to complete. Then like different ways in which people get married. There are different ways. Some people go to churches, they marry there. Some people have registered marriage. Some people have marriage at temple. So there are different varieties of getting married. You have to write those all, or whatever you know. Okay, so you have to write minimum 3. Then different ways in which people dress. So we have variety of clothes also. So which type of variety is seen there in the dress, that you also have to write in this chart. Then in which people greet each other. Sometimes we shake hand or have a namaste. So what different ways are there to greet the people, that also you have to write. And different ways in which people cook the rice. Even there are number of methods to cook the rice. In South India, people cook the rice differently. In North India, the people cook again it differently. The same, there are different ways to cook the food and make the food and eat it. So you have to complete this activity. Again, it has a limit of 2 days to complete the activity. And then we have some example over here which shows how the people have come out of their stereotype image. What is stereotype image? Which is fixed by the people, which is fixed by the society. For example, I will give an example. Like most of time people say, or even you are also saying in the classrooms, like suppose a boy is crying. So what other boys generally tell him? That, are you a girl? Are you a girl and you are crying like a girl? This is a stereotype image. It is a stereotype means which is coming from long time, and it is fixed in our mind, and most of time we are not ready to change it, but many a time it is not good one. Even like stereotype image is like some community people are backward, or they are not good. Like such type of stereotypes are there. Even poor people are not clean, they don't take care of their health. So these are the stereotype image. I hope you must have understood. Stereotype means what? Stereotype means when people judge other people very negatively, or they are judging it and fixing about them, though it is not true. Sometime it is truth, sometime it's not truth, but people judge, or they just fix the person that this person is like this religion is like this, or this people are like this country's people are like this is called stereotype. So here are example. Two surgeons were sitting down lunch when one of them called on mobile phone. So this is the female surgeon, and a match of this is to speak with her daughter who had just returned from home. This is an answer to the people who say that women can do both the responsibility at home and jobs. This is an example of this, where the women is doing both the responsibilities. Here we have remaining three you have to match. I have told you the first one, like the boy who won the drawing competition went to dais. So imagine and complete the match the pair. You have to match it with the other alternatives. One of the fastest athlete in the world, you find out the other match of this question. Then she was not that well off but had dream, so you match it also. So these are the questions for you to match. Okay, these are the activity that you have to do, which I told now. One activity I told, which is given in the page number 8, and one activity is in front of you that you have to complete. So these two activity you have to complete, and the time limit is 2 days. Okay, so you have to strictly follow the time schedule which is given to you. You have to complete the worksheet with proper answers, then complete answers with your name, then all the details which like class, every detail you have to write while sending the worksheet on mail ID. And the assignment which I have given to you, these are quite simple and don't require time, so you do it carefully and submit in given time. Okay, so I hope that is enough for you today. So if you have doubt, you are free to ask.